¿Cómo está? Bohol and welcome. Okay guys, just to let you know that I'm not here to make up stories or make false allegations or claims against a person and their court business. That's not only foul and disgusting, you don't do that. You don't make up false claims about people and their court claims. You either tell the truth or you shut your face. Well, as you can see down here, ladies and gentlemen, the date today is the 20th of August 2025. It's 8:07 p.m. here on the north coast of New South Wales. I'm in my home and here I am at the Superior Court of California, County of Butte. You can go to that too. It's pretty simple. So here we go under search hearings. So let me have a look here, ladies and gentlemen. Click on that. Now, it says here, party name. So what I've done, I've already filled this in, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going back. So this is all the Chico. We know he was from Chico, California. So select hearing types all. Party name is Smith Brian Granville. Search date is first from the 5th of the 19th of May 2016 to 10th of November 2022. So we go submit, and it comes up with his different shit. Now, I already knew that Judge Gunn, David E., was the in this particular. So let's click on the case number here and see what comes up with, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just click on that. And here it comes. Now, Chico. Now, this was a traffic. Okay, so we don't want that. People, this is only a traffic fine. Brian Granville Smith. We'll get. That's just a traffic ticket. We'll get back to this next one. Submit that again, and we'll go to this one. The second one. And here we have. Now you can look this up later. It's public record. So I'm looking this up from Bumfuck Junction, New South Wales, Australia, and it's on American public record under Superior Court of California, County of Butte. There's the case number. There's the file date. Chico. The judicial officer was Kurt W. Worley. Now, the people of California, defendant Brian Granville Smith, who's got no birth date because he doesn't know when it is himself because he keeps lying to everybody. So he's got no current evidence of registration as of the 7th of the 27th of 2016. This is for his so-called ice cream business. No current registration. No evidence of current registration. Blah, blah, blah. So what happened was he got issued a citation notice, then he got issued a courtesy notice. This is in 2016. He ignored all these. He failed to appear. Notice of civil assessment, administration fee, 2016. And then it further goes on. Failure to appear, recall on the 12th of the 8th, 2016. So, lady, I think he was a bit premature in telling us that he'd buggered off to the Philippines in 2017. Now, we have got other information regarding his 2017, failure to appear, and the fact that there was no permit issued for him to, ladies and gentlemen, to sell ice cream or have a registered business in Chico, California, and that he was actually arrested and charged for having no permit to operate that business. Butte County Court seized his assets, which he didn't give to the court. He actually put an ad in the newspaper and sold these clunkers for $10,000, which is the money that he used to run to the Philippines. He's still wanted on those charges. Now, look it up for yourself. Look it up for yourself. It's simple, ladies and gentlemen. If I can do it from here in Bumfuck Junction, New South Wales. You can certainly do it in America. Brian Granville Smith is a lying sack of shit who ran out of America because he was just a loser. Couldn't afford the fines for running this so-called unsuccessful business that he tried to tell everybody he was so rolling in the money, and he was actually living on friends' couches, couch surfing, before he managed to somehow put together the money wherever he stole that from, or conjured that up from, or whoever was dumb enough to lend it to him at the time, to get to the Philippines to start his con life over there. Well, there you go. But ladies and gentlemen, it's not hard for yourselves to look this up. Now, on Saturday coming, today is the 20th, upcoming this weekend, Saturday is the 23rd of August, myself and a guest who, a bit controversial, this bloke. I don't see why, but apparently a lot of people think that he's controversial. A lot of people warn me to have nothing to do with this guy. However, I'm the guy on the ground and I know what's going on. So, I take all that with a pinch of salt because we have a history. You will be, I don't think you'll be surprised when you find out who it is. But I think that to have us together on a live stream discussing things that we're both involved in and both have clear thoughts on, I think will be a very interesting live stream for those who want to watch. I've been in contact with our great friend Michael Young up in the Garden of Kent in England. He has agreed to come in and join the live stream as a moderator, so thank you very much, Michael. Always a pleasure to have our English friends down under here in colonial land. And also another guest from the channel, my major financial supporter and donor, you all know from Adelaide, will also be moderating in the background. We're not going to go any further than that. He likes to keep his participation separate, sort of. We'll just use that word. So we'll see you at 8 o'clock New South Wales time. That's 6 o'clock CEBU time. It's in the PM on Saturday, and we will have some interesting things to put forward to you and to discuss and to tell the channel. As for Smith's latest videos, it is abundantly clear and evident to anybody that has got even a modicum of common sense that the lies that he's putting out about this establishment that he's got going. We're going to bring that, I'll bring that to you point by point, and I'm sure that once I bring it to you point by point, boom, 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 you'll understand and see the truth of the garbage clickbait rubbish that he's throwing at you. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, 8 p.m. Saturday coming, and we will see you with an interesting guest on a live stream. But look up Butte County Superior Court, ladies and gentlemen. Any fool can do it. Punch in Brian Granville Smith, 3rd of August, 62, and it's all there. It's all there. It's public record. You're not breaking any law. You're not delving into anybody's secrets. It's public record, ladies and gentlemen, that you're entitled to see. Any fool can do it. So these twits going on there, little chat shows, all these little sycophantic wanker supporters of his that are going, it's all bullshit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's how sad this disgusting little man is, that all he's got, it's like, deniers. It's just unbelievable how these people manage to actually get through the day. Thanks a lot, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, Saturday night, we'll see you then. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye now. Oh, for a long time, I haven't. But tonight, I guess, Siggy, Siggy, I say Siggy, Siggy, CEBU, CEBU. Good night, folks.